Welcome viewer, I am Ruben. This video tutorial describes how to resolve the xampp and Vmware Port 443 error. xampp server shows port 443 is used by another program. Open Vmware. Click Edit, Preferences. Click Shared VM. Click Change Settings. Click Disable Sharing. Change the port number. Click Enable Sharing. Click OK. Now restart xampp and MySQL server. xampp and MySQL server is working perfectly. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.